That song gets kind of dark when you think about it.
Oh, really? How so?
Just like in the refrain, where he goes, but if looks could kill, there's a man there who's marked down as dead.
Yeah.
If looks could kill, there's a man who's marked down as dead, because his look would kill him.
Yikes.
Listen, you, take your hands from her head. Listen, you, mister.
I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, NANABOOZHOO loves Natasha.
Would kill him.
Yikes.
Oh,
Listen, you, take your hands from her head. Listen, you, mister, take your hands from her head. I get so mean around the scene. I get so mean around the scene. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe it's not that creepy.
It's kind of creepy.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Tonight I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight we're gonna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you, and girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. Let's live here. Let's move here.
Just like that?
Yeah. Let's just pack up. Let's throw away everything and come move here.
Bug out.
Rent a place and then figure out how we can pay the bills later. It's so pretty out here. I never want to go home. Alright. Hey, you kids, you better behave back there.
Don't make me
We'll
come
turn this
back
car
there.
around.
We're there yet.
I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this. One sad parting farewell kiss. Goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
We'll go up here into the mountains and go fishing.
A second
Sleep in the
honeymoon.
camper. Oh, what a weekend we'll have. We'll fall in love all over again.
It'll be like when we first met. Back in the days.
Man,
of
the kind of trouble people go through to relax.
It'll be a big pain in the neck
wow.
to relax. To take it
I wonder if
easy.
there's any Bigfoot up in these hills.
Oh, you
No.
can better believe it. This is squatching territory.
You know, if I saw a Bigfoot, I wouldn't even tell anybody.
Oh, really?
People don't want to hear it. Freaks them out. They call you crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, she must be crazy. Why? Because I saw something that they say doesn't exist.
Mm-hmm. No.
I don't know, man. Boy, you'd never guess it was the end of the world up here. Looks peaceful and perfect.
Yeah, it does.